For this exercise, we're going to be working on strengthening the muscles in the back of the upper arm, known as the tricep. When these muscles have dysfunction, it can create pain or irritation in the shoulder. For this exercise, we're going to need a dumbbell, and we're going to place the dumbbell over our shoulder. Using the other hand, we're going to support the arm to keep it from doing two things. One, we don't want it to drift out, and two, we don't want it to fall forward. So we're going to keep the elbow in place with our hand. From here, we're going to let the dumbbell rest on the back of the shoulder and then extend the arm all the way until we feel a squeeze in these muscles. From there, lower back down, keeping the elbow from falling forward, and then extend the arm again. Go slowly with this exercise and don't sling the weight aggressively. If you feel a need to add more muscles to the movement, we likely have a weight that's too high, so adjust accordingly. Perform sets and reps of this exercise as prescribed by your provider.